Okay, I will.
This is the native, native mustard green or mustasa.
Really?
And
Wow, amazing.
you know this. What is this?
What is that? What is that? Oh,
This
oh,
one. You
I know, I
that?
know this. I forgot the name.
It's talinum, diba?
Talinum, yeah,
Yes.
talinum.
And the flowers are
Oh, yeah,
edible.
yeah.
This is not the hybrid one, which
Oh,
are very large.
oh, native mustasa. Where did you get? These are the seeds
From
now.
Marinduque. Oo.
Oh,
If you want seeds, we have
yay.
sweet basil.
Okay, this is sweet basil.
And then curl parsley or curled parsley. And then what else? Have you seen the flower of an oregano? No. What's this? The Indian borage? That one, no?
Okay, wait. The
flower,
purple one?
Indian borage. It's commonly called here
It's
oregano,
so
but
pretty.
it's not the Italian oregano.
It's this one?
No, the one with the flower.
This.
That's one.
It's just a flower. Where's
that
the
one?
this? Oh. Where's the rest of the plant? Is this goes
That
up
one.
from this?
Alone.
Alone?
Oo.
It's just a flower.
First time to see
Straight
a
from the
small,
ground. Yeah.
What's that? Variegated leaves, and then it immediately flowered, no?
Okay.
This is talinum also.
A different kind.
But another one, talinum paniculatum or ano, I'm not sure na.
This is like a mint.
What's that is, I forgot the name. That is, it's in the mint family also.
Wow, so many
this
different
is
kinds.
edible hadianther.
This one?
The flowers.
The flowers.
This
Okay,
is
there's a yellow flower and that's
Brazil,
edible. And look at all of these sile. Oh my gosh, it's so evil.
ornamental,
hot.
no? Looking.
You can't eat it?
No, it's edible, but
Yeah.
when you look at it,
It's so
it could be
beautiful. Oh,
ornamental.
wow, look at that. Spicy.
Yes, very spicy. Oh, you
More
recognize
talinum.
this?
Talinum. And then,
That one
oh,
is,
look at these.
What's that ba?
Look at so many seeds.
Monstera mustard green or Monstera mustasa.
Oh, is it the same one as the one
No,
kanina?
this is different because this is native.
Oh, and this is a
Yeah,
different
small
mustard. So is this the mustard that this,
Mustard
you know,
green, mustasa.
mustasa. So many seeds. So it went to seed na the entire plant, and then
Niya is edible.
edible. Vitamin.
And what's that? Creeping foxglove with the pretty
Creeping foxglove. Is this the flower you let me eat kanina?
Yes.
Oh.
It's bland, diba?
Yeah.
And then this one is holy basil, but it's the purple one.
Okay, purple holy basil. Okay, so today we are where?
This is English mint, if I'm not mistaken. You can have a taste if you want to.
Okay. Oops.
And what does it remind you? What?
Juicy fruit.
Juicy fruit.
Yeah.
So,
Oh, so many.
ba? You planted that?
Sakurab.
Yes, it's sakura.
And then this chives?
Yes, a garlic chives.
Garlic chives. We have everything.
Yes.
So this cassava grew and then
Yes, you have to get these.
okay, we are getting what are we getting?
String beans.
Oh, where's the string bean?
Here.
Oh, there's a string bean. So we're getting the string bean.
You have to cut.
One hand to cut, but I need your okay,
Nice.
so I'm cutting and Joss is gonna get it. Where? Here?
Lower.
Lower. Here?
Where the ants are.
Or the ants.
Are
Sorry,
converging.
ants. So we have a string bean. There's another string bean. Oh, there's so many string beans. Okay, there's another string bean there. And then there's one here. in the cassava. Oh, there's
Where
another
ba?
one here, oh.
No, we will just get the,
The mature
no,
ones.
no,
Okay,
that
wait.
one.
Can I go under?
Of course.
Wait lang.
Oh, this one.
I can't
is
see
very
it.
high.
Wait lang. Oh my.
Oh,
Okay, okay. Here?
here. Oh,
Wait. Below na lang. Kasi I think there's another one
Oh.
growing.
oh yes. Oh. Oh. It's
Ah.
good that you. Ay, sorry.
It's
good that
okay.
you were able to see.
Yeah, so we would have
In my angle, I did not.
see the other one growing.
So,
Okay.
here are the lettuce.
2 string beans.
You want to do it or me na lang?
Okay, I will take your video. Because, you know,
Or your friend knows ba how to take a video? So
yeah.
That, ano,
They're back.
you could.
Oh, yeah,
forward.
they can take video.
Oh, they will be your.
Yeah, videographer.
This is Talino Paniculatum. The other one is Talino. I forgot na.
I need a videographer.
Mahal, what's this nga? Talino Paniculatum. And then the other one is, we have to, di ba Talinum?
Yeah, here is the tarinum.
Yes, but which is Paniculatum and what's the other one? Nako, I forgot na.
Fruit.
Ah,
Fructose.
Hello, welcome. Morning.
Paniculatum also, both are edible.
Yeah, we are heavily into